Hello and welcome back to this video tutorial series. In this video, we will be talking about the product collections. Now, if you remember from our previous videos, we discussed how to add products to your store. If you missed that episode, definitely go back and check that out just so that you're familiar with how to do that. Otherwise, go ahead, sign into your store, select the store that you're busy working on or that you'd like to add and edit the collections for, and just click on collections on the left-hand navigation tray. That will take you straight through to any collections that you've added. Remember from the previous videos that adding collections actually happened during the product adding and editing. So just to recap that really quick, I'm just going to click on products on the left. You'll see there I've got these 3 products. Then I'll just click on, say, the first one, this Gibson Custom. I could either just click on this pencil icon or just on the product itself. So I'm just going to click on it and we'll get through to the edit screen. And then you'll see there, this is the collection that I've added this product under, the rare guitars. If I expand that down, you'll see we also have electric guitars that I could choose. But for this one, it's a rare guitar, so I'm just going to add that to that collection. And once I hit save, then the collection is actually made for me in the background. And then you can see them when you click on collections on the left-hand side. Collections are essentially the categorization of your products into a global sort of categorization, whereas your tags are more the sort of drilled down, more fine-grained categorization. So just to look at those really quick again, if I just go to products and I click on the Gibson Custom product, you'll see there we have rare guitars as the main collection, or categorization if you will, and then underneath that we have the tags of rare, expensive, and amazing. So those tags, as I'll show you in the front-end system, will be used to further drill down into similarly tagged products as well. So for example, just because the Gibson guitar is classified as rare, we might have something else that is not a guitar that's classified as rare, maybe a guitar strap or a guitar pick that's a Jimi Hendrix used. That's also pretty rare, but it doesn't actually fall under the collection of rare guitars. So that just helps users access different products that are tagged with the same tags that might exist outside of the specific collection. Otherwise, they could also just browse by collection, but we'll go through that when we get to the front end section. So for now, let's just go back to the collections link on the left hand side. I'm just going to click on that, and you can see there I've added 2 collections, currently electric guitars and rare guitars. And then if you look just next to the collection name, you'll see the number of products within this collection. So under electric guitars, I've got 2 products at the moment, and under rare guitars I've actually only got 1, which was that Gibson that you saw. This is a great section to use if, for example, you want to, say, rename this collection, and you say you've got maybe 15 products under it. So this would then obviously change the name of the collection for all those products. So to do that, let's just say I wanted to change maybe the rare guitars collection, change its name to maybe exclusive guitars. I would then just simply click on this pencil icon, this edit icon button under the rare guitars collection. That will then bring up a modal that I can then use to change the name. So I'm just going to change that to exclusive guitars, hit update, and then that will update my collection for me to exclusive guitars, and obviously the products linked to it are still there, which is actually really great. If I do decide, okay, you know what, I don't need this collection anymore, you can actually then just go and click this delete button over here, and then that will delete your collection. So let's actually try that out. Let's actually just say, okay, I don't want this collection anymore. I'm just going to say, okay, I would like to delete that, and then you'll see obviously I only have 1 collection now with only 2 products in it. So that means that if I now go to my product section on the left and I go to this Gibson that was actually listed under that collection, you'll see now it's not actually under a collection at all anymore, and I only have electric guitars here. So let's just re-add that. You know what, we're not actually going to re-add it over here. Let's actually demonstrate how to add that from the collection section. As you know, to add something to a collection here, you just go add new collection and fill it in over here, but I'm actually going to add it from the main collections section. So let's click that over there. You'll see at the top we have an add a new collection button. I'm just going to click that, very similar modal pops up. Let's just recreate the exclusive guitars collection over here. So I'm just going to add that over here, and you'll see that my collection has been recreated, but unfortunately no products have been added to it yet. So how do I add a product to that? Well, I'm sure you've guessed it. We're just going to go back to products. We're going to click on this Gibson, and under collection where it says none, I'm just going to choose exclusive guitars. I'm going to click save, and we are done. So now if we go back to collections after we've saved that, you'll see that it's now changed from 0 to 1, which means that that guitar product has been added to this collection successfully. So how do I see this on my store, Chris? Okay, well, let's go and click on visit your store just above that. That, as you know, opens up a new tab, and if we scroll down a little, you'll then see that we have our two collections listed here. Electric guitars and exclusive guitars. This section actually changes dynamically depending on when you hit the page. So you'll see there, obviously, that image has changed, electric and exclusive. Let's change it again. Let's see if we can mix it up. And now you'll see exclusive guitars and electric guitars have now switched places. So that just introduces a bit of dynamicness to the homepage itself. But that's all just on the homepage. But now what happens if we look at it in the main product section? So I'm just going to click on products. This is obviously just listing all of our products out that we've added. But now if I wanted to group, or if I wanted to just look at products under a specific collection, I'm sure you've guessed this as well. We'll just click on collections, and we'll see our two collections that we've added there. So let's just go to this one that we've added our Gibson to. I'll just click on that, and we'll see there underneath exclusive guitars, we just have our Gibson guitar, which is fantastic. Similarly, if we go to just electric guitars, we'll only see the two that we've put under that collection, our 6 and 7 string Ibanez guitars. So that's how that would work. Amazing. If you'd like to know more just on the tags really quickly, it's probably worth discussing that. Let's go back to exclusive guitars, and let's go click on our Gibson product. This will take us through to the detail page. And as you've seen in a previous video, our tags are actually listed up at the top here. So if, for example, we were looking for other products that are tagged as rare, you can actually just go and click on that right there. So I'm just going to click on rare. Just show me all the products tagged with the rare tag. We only have one at the moment, so that's why we only see this Gibson guitar there. But let's just say we wanted to tag another product under this rare tag. What would that look like? So let's go back to the backend section, the admin control panel section, click on products, and let's just say that our 7-string edition, which actually is a more rarer guitar than the 6-string, I think I got that right, rarer, we would then just obviously edit this product after clicking on products on the left. We just edit this product over here because we want to add a new tag to this. We can see we already have beginner, electric, and affordable added to this. But let's just say we wanted to add the rare tag to this as well. So I'm just going to add that over there. I don't have to type it out because we've already added it. The autocomplete will help us out. So I'm just going to choose rare. I'm just going to hit comma to add that in. And you'll see there we've actually added a 4th tag called rare to our 7-string edition guitar. So I'm just going to hit save so to make sure that the tag has been added. And now we have two products with the rare tag on it. We have the Gibson and we have the 7-string Ibanez. So hopefully if we refresh the rare tag page on the front end, we should now see two products in there. So let's just refresh that. And there we go. We can now see that we have two products tagged under the rare tag section. And even though both of these products exist in different collections, we are now able to see them under a common tag. So I really hope that makes sense. As always, please let me know in the comment section below if any part of this video has been confusing or if there's anything I can assist with further. And thank you very much for watching this video on the product collections, and I will see you in the next one.